video will show the simple steps to assemble a Hekman 9300L desk. This desk cannot be easily moved once completely assembled, so it is highly recommended to assemble the desk in the area where the desk will be used. First, locate the hardware pack, which is in a red plastic bag. This may be attached to the underside of one of the pedestals. Open the pack, set the hardware aside for assembly, and read the instructions. Place all the parts in the area where the assembled desk will be used. The pedestal with the door and adjustable shelf goes on the left as you are sitting at the desk. The pedestal with 2 drawers goes on the right. Set the 2 tops and 2 MODESTY panels nearby. We will begin by moving the left MODESTY panel close to the left pedestal. Align the bolt holes of each component. Insert the bolts through the MODESTY panel into the pedestal and connect together with the connector nuts inside the pedestal. Finger tighten each bolt and nut. Repeat the same steps for the right MODESTY panel and right pedestal with the bolts and connector nuts. Next, we will add the desktop to the pedestal and MODESTY panel assembly. 2 people must lift and place the left desktop onto the left pedestal and MODESTY panel assembly. Notice the cross piece on the top of the pedestal has an angled edge. There is a matching cross piece on the underside of the desktop. These 2 angled edges will fit together, locking the desktop to the pedestal. Place the top on the pedestal and slide it into position. Repeat the same steps for the right desktop and right pedestal and MODESTY panel assembly. We will now secure the desktop to the pedestals. Open the left pedestal door and bolt the desktop to the pedestal by inserting the long bolt through the hole in the cleats. You may have to move the top around to get the holes to line up so the bolt can go in. Finger tighten the bolt with the connector nut. Repeat the same steps to secure the right desktop to the right pedestal. The top drawer of the right pedestal may need to be removed in order to put the bolt through the holes and tighten. Remove the drawer by releasing the slide clips and pulling the drawer straight out. Now we will secure the desktop to the back MODESTY panels. You will need to crawl under the desktop for these last assembly steps. First, to secure the desktops to the corresponding MODESTY panels, locate the 2 bolt holes, insert the bolts, and secure the desktops to their respective MODESTY panels. Finger tighten these bolts. Now you can slide the 2 half-desk assemblies together. Bolt the 2 desktop halves together from underneath the desk using the 2 long bolts provided. While you are still under the desk, secure the corner piece that fits between the 2 desk drawers with 2 short bolts. Then connect the 2 MODESTY panels together at the inside corner with the remaining 3 bolts. Finally, tighten all bolts throughout the entire desk with the included wrenches. If you need more information, please visit us online at hekman.com.